In this video, I'm making beet sponge toffee. The taste and texture are primarily the same as normal sponge toffee, but you get a touch of the added complexity and earthiness of the beetroot as well as the beautiful color. To start, place 400 grams of sugar, 110 grams of corn syrup or golden syrup, and 80 grams of beet juice into a pot. In a separate bowl, combine 1 tablespoon of baking soda, a 1/4 teaspoon of cream of tartar, and a heaping tablespoon of beet powder. Grease and line a baking tin with tall sides with parchment paper, and set it beside your stove along with a whisk and your baking soda mixture. You won't want to go far or be looking for things once the sugar has started to cook. Place the sugar mixture onto the stove and bring it to a boil. You'll need a thermometer to guarantee accuracy at this point. Keep cooking the mixture until it reaches 300 degrees Fahrenheit or 150 degrees Celsius. Then, moving quickly, remove the mixture from the stove and add in your baking soda and whisk rapidly. This part is tricky as you want to whisk enough to combine everything, but not too much that you knock out any of the excess air bubbles. Immediately after whisking, pour the sponge toffee directly into the lined pan and leave to cool for 2 hours. Once cool, break the sponge toffee apart using your hands or rolling pin and enjoy. If you liked the video and you want to see more content like this, then consider subscribing. And if you'd like to connect with me elsewhere, you can do so at KAC Creative.